iPhone SE 4 has been eagerly awaited by Apple fans since the iPhone 16 series launched last month. Recent reports indicate that Apple is making progress toward its release. Analyst Ross Young from Display Supply Chain Consultants has shared that Apple has started receiving display panels for the new model. It's been reported that BOE and LG will supply the display for the iPhone SE 4. Samsung Display, which provides around 60% of displays for the iPhone 16, will not be involved in this production due to higher pricing. Instead, Apple has chosen BOE and LG to keep costs in check. This suggests that Apple may not prioritize premium hardware in its more affordable lineup, even though the top version of the iPhone SE 4 is still expected to cost over $500. As a reminder, the third-generation iPhone SE has not received any updates in the last 2 years. Although the new model is likely to be launched in 2025, it is already known that the display for the iPhone SE 4 will be upgraded based on the technologies used in the iPhone 14. Ross Young reports that the iPhone SE 4 will feature a 6.1-inch display with a resolution of 2532 by 1170 pixels and a brightness level reaching 1200 nits. This will make the new model larger than its predecessor, with the height increasing to 147 millimeters and the width to 71.5 millimeters. In addition to these changes, the iPhone SE 4 will likely include other advanced features like Apple Intelligence, which has been a key selling point for this year's iPhone 16 series. Furthermore, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman reported that Apple plans to release an updated version of its AirTag in the first half of 2025. While it's not confirmed whether the AirTag will launch alongside the iPhone SE 4, it's possible that Apple could unveil all its new products in the first quarter of 2025 during a single event in March. The new AirTag is expected to feature a second-generation ultra-wideband chip, similar to the one used in the iPhone 15, which will improve tracking capabilities. Ming-Chi Kuo, a well-known Apple analyst, previously mentioned that AirTag 2 could enter mass production in the fourth quarter of 2024. Apple describes AirTag as a small, elegantly designed accessory that helps users keep track of important items through the Find My app. The current model is made from finely crafted stainless steel, is water and dust resistant, includes a built-in speaker for locating items, and has a removable cover for easy battery replacement. AirTags have proven useful in helping many users recover lost or stolen items. In summary, users can expect great performance from the iPhone SE 4. The primary camera is set to feature an impressive 48 megapixels, allowing for stunning photography. Equipped with the A18 Bionic chip and 8 gigs of RAM, the device will ensure fast and smooth operation of modern apps. Apple Intelligence features are expected to function just as effectively on the SE 4 as they do on higher-priced models like the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 16 series. What are your thoughts on the upcoming iPhone SE 4? Are you excited about it? Have you used AirTag before? Share your thoughts in the comments, and with that, I'll see you in the next video.